Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be learning all about our daily glow up face yoga routine जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा easy है. आप कहीं भी कभी भी जा रहे हो, travel कर रहे हो, offices में, anytime you're sitting, you're relaxing, you can do it and have a glowing natural look. Before we begin, do like the video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further updates. So we'll start with the basics. Follow along for the exercises. Breathe in deeply and start tapping your forehead using your middle and ring finger. Make a knuckle and massage the area around the cheekbone. Now do some stretching massage near the eye area to reduce crow feet and also in the cheek area. Now repeat again the knuckle massage just below the cheekbone area. Do not touch the cheekbone area as it's the hard part, and go below, just below in the soft part and massage gently. Now widen your fingers and massage the forehead area just as shown. Take it from the center to the sides, from the center to the sides, and repeat it on both the sides. Time to liften up your cheeks and massage it along the face anatomy. You should make sure that you do not make extra lines near your eye area. Repeat on both sides for 8 times each. Now, use your index and middle finger to tone your nose area. This really helps to tone your nose and also gives it a nice shape. Now, using your thumb, lightly massage the area below your eyebrows. Make sure to be very light and gentle as it's a very soft part. And now with the simple knuckle shown, just take your middle finger up and index finger down, and using the knuckle gently massage your chin area. This will help you to lift your skin and also reduce the stubborn double chin around the area. Now this also helps in reducing the lymphatic drainage. Coming to the neck area, first activate the neck area muscles using your hands, and now time for the massaging. 8 times from down to up, do gently massage, and now you need to repeat the set for 4 times. Again, I have shown some chin area massage. You can do it. And this is the easier lymphatic drainage massage, which is very easy to carry. And this set, you can do it for 4 times on each side, or else approx about 40 seconds. Now, using your fingers, make a nice fist and gently massage from top to bottom of your neck area, on from the center to the sides. Now, using your fingers as shown, gently tap from the forehead to the area below your collarbone for 5 times and relax. That's great. So we are done with our daily face yoga glow up routine. Just 5 मिनट daily, और आप अपनी स्किन का बहुत अच्छे से ध्यान रख सकते हो. बट मेक श्योर आप जब ये फेस योगा कर रहे हो स्पेसिफिकली ऑन द फेस, देन यू शुड यूज एम्पल अमाउंट ऑफ मॉइस्चराइजर और सीरम ऑन द फेस. मैंने मॉइस्चराइजर लगा के ही किया है. एंड डे में जब आप अपना सीरम यूज कर रहे हो, डे केयर रूटीन कर रहे हो, नाइट केयर रूटीन कर रहे हो, तब भी आप कर सकते हो. यू कैन प्रैक्टिस इट एनी टाइम एनीवेयर, बट डू इट डेली टू गेट बेटर रिजल्ट. सो लाइक दिस वीडियो and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further updates on face yoga, healthy cooking recipes, skincare videos, and a lot more.